Hello everyone, I hope each one of you are doing good. Life for most of us is slowly getting back on track. This is the new normal and we have to learn to live with it. But we definitely do pray for everything to go back to how it was. I mean, उससे अच्छी चीज़ कोई हो नहीं सकती, but वो जब होगा तब होगा. Well guys, आज का जो वीडियो है जैसे कि आप टाइटल से ऑलरेडी समझ गए होंगे, this is a skincare review video of a brand called Moha. It is a fairly new brand. It was launched 3 years back, but very recently I got my hands on couple of their products और मैं आज आपके साथ उनका रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ. I will try my level best to give you my honest opinion about these products. So please watch the video till the end to understand how these products are. Before we actually start talking about the products, मैं आप सबको एक चीज़ बता दूँ. So whatever products I bought from their range is fantastic for dry skin type and very dry skin type. जैसे कि आप लोग सब जानते हैं या जो लोग नहीं जानते हैं मैं दोबारा बता दूँ. I am a dry skin type and these products have worked very nicely on my skin. जो हम एक एक करके बात करेंगे then you will understand how these products work. Monsoon और summer में my skin becomes slightly towards combination but during winters तो मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ, my skin becomes very dry. तो जितने भी ड्राई स्किन टाइप और वेरी ड्राई स्किन टाइप लोग ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, प्लीज वॉच इट टिल द एंड बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू स्पिल सम ग्रेट इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट दिस प्रोडक्ट्स which will help you to get prepared for this coming winter season. So let's start talking about the products. So today the first product is Moha Herbal Face Wash. This face wash is such a beautiful combination of neem, cucumber, aloe and rose. All these ingredients works beautifully on my skin. I have 1000 reasons to like this face wash, but if I have to just pick two and talk about them, number one would be it gives a beautiful hydration to my skin. जैसे हम सब जानते हैं, हम जब फेस वॉश करते हैं स्पेसिफिकली ड्राई स्किन टाइप, यू गाइज कैन रिलेट टू व्हाट आई फील whenever I do a normal face wash. बाकी फेस वॉश क्या करता है, इट स्ट्रिप्स अवे माई नेचुरल ऑयल फ्रॉम माई स्किन विच आई डोंट लाइक एट ऑल. But this face wash doesn't do that at all. It gives a beautiful hydration after my face wash and I don't feel to apply a moisturizer immediately after my face wash. And the second reason would be ये actually बहुत अच्छे से deep clean करता है skin को. It wonderfully removes all the dirt and grime from the skin, get rid of all the gunk and the pollution. So specifically my nighttime skincare routine definitely includes this face wash because it really deep cleans my skin. Packaging, as you guys can see, is very decent. It comes in a tube. It has a very light pink color to it and I am assuming it is because of the rose extract that it has. And the fragrance is very mild and very pleasant. There is nothing to be bothered about the fragrance. You will like it. It has a fruity kind of a smell which is very mild. So all in all, it is a very good face wash. So now we talk about the second product, which is Moha's Herbal Scrub. When I talk about a good scrub, there are like two things which are a must. अगर ये दोनों चीज उस स्क्रब में है तो जाहिर सी बात है वो स्क्रब मुझे बहुत पसंद आएगी. And they are it has to be a very creamy formula. मुझे ऐसे स्क्रब पसंद है जो मेरे स्किन को एक्सफोलिएट करने के साथ साथ हाइड्रेट भी करे. And to do that, the scrub has to be really thick and creamy, which this scrub is. That's the reason I really like this scrub. And the second reason is the scrubbing particles. जो स्क्रब मुझे अच्छे लगते हैं, my skin is very very sensitive to scrubbing. So the scrubbing particles has to be very fine. Even if it's a tad bit bigger than my desired size, I don't like that scrub because I need exfoliation. I don't need purging. So मुझे ऐसे स्क्रब बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है जिसके पार्टिकल्स थोड़े बहुत भी बड़े हों. So the scrubbing particles in this scrub is very fine and it suits my skin beautifully. This scrub is wonderful for all skin type. सारे skin type ये scrub को use कर सकते हैं. As you can see, the packaging is again pretty decent. It's very handy and compact. Now let's talk about the third product, which is my favorite. This is Moha's Aloe Vera Gel. अगर मैं एक एलोवेरा जेल के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ मतलब वो एलोवेरा जेल बहुत अच्छा होगा because I somehow am always on a constant hunt for a good aloe vera gel. I'm obsessed with aloe vera gels. You guys know, if you have been seeing my videos, then I talk about different brands of aloe vera gel all the time. और मैं इसको बहुत अलग अलग तरीके से यूज़ करती हूँ. Like I use it as a hair mask, as a face mask. I use aloe vera in my DIY skincare as well. So aloe vera gel मेरे लिए बहुत important. It is a very important ingredient for me. So let's talk about this one in particular. This is just not aloe vera gel. It has rose and cucumber in it. Let me just read out what the product claims. It says it keeps your skin moisturized and protected from daily damages with Moha aloe vera gel. Aloe soothes your dry, irritated skin and protects from harmful sun rays, while cucumber hydrates and refreshes skin for hours. Rose, rich in antioxidant, gives glow and youthful look. I think this product does justice to whatever it claims, but I will surely point out few things that I have noticed after using this gel. This gel is definitely not for oily skin. I mean, I don't have any problem if you want to still go ahead and try. But ये जो gel है ना, ये slightly it's more towards sticky side. थोड़ा सा चिपचिपाहट इसमें ज़्यादा है, which of course sinks into your skin gradually. But I am sure a oily skin type will not like that feeling. And combination skin type can surely give it a try, but during peak winters. But dry skin के लिए तो it is the best. There is one more thing which I would like to point out for dry skin type. ये जो gel है ये बहुत अच्छा primer के जैसे काम करता है. I've actually tried it and I was shocked to see the results because the slight stickiness that it has, it actually helps the foundation to just hold on to your skin, and for me it works perfectly. I mean, this is a beautiful primer. Summers में it will be a very nice primer for all the dry skin type because as I said, it has a cucumber and rose as well. But winter में भी ये आपके skin को hydrate भी करेगा, so it will work as a moisturizer and it will also work as a primer. And with the price, this is a very good product to try out. Now let's move on to the next product. I am the most excited to talk about this product. I mean, this is probably my best pick from the brand, and you will exactly know why I'm saying this is my best find in about a second. So this is Moha's moisturizing lotion. Finally, मुझे एक ऐसा product मिल गया which keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day. I mean, I know this is going to solve my आज तक का problem of keeping my skin hydrated during winters. विंटर्स में मेरी स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई हो जाती है. फेस का क्या है, फेस तो हम फिर भी ध्यान रख लेते हैं. वी यूज़ मॉइस्चराइजर, वी यूज़ फेस ऑयल्स, वी यूज़ serums. But despite of trying so many body moisturizers till date, I was never satisfied with the result. If you happen to constantly reapply your moisturizer during winters, then that moisturizer is not good enough for your skin. This is a wonderful product for dry and very dry skin type, and I think it will work for combination skin type as well. Just let me read out what it claims. It says Moha's moisturizing lotion for extra dry skin. Moisturizes skin deeply, leaving it wonderfully supple and soft. It has aloe, almond oil and sunflower oil. My advice for oily skin type to stay away from this product, you will hate it because it is extremely creamy and very thick, which is why it is wonderful for dry skin type. I applied just once after shower and it lasts me all day long. I mean, that's incredible. No moisturizer has done that to me in the past. So I highly recommend this product for dry skin type and extremely dry skin type. Please do try it and I'm sure you will thank me. Now let's move on to the next product, which is the foot cream. अब मैं आपको क्या बताऊँ? My feet are so dry. I have fought dry skin all my life. You name it, I have faced it. Dry feet, cracked feet, flaky feet. I mean, I have really had bad times and I'm still struggling with my dry skin. But thankfully now I'm finding out different products which really helps me fight those problems. And for the past few years, things have really worked out well. And I'm more informed now how to deal with my dry skin, specifically during winters, because oh my god, I can't even tell you what I go through, what I used to go through. We somehow tend to ignore our feet the most, जबकि वो हमें support करते हैं the entire day. So I like to pamper my feet at least twice a week or maybe every alternate days. अगर मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, I make it a point कि twice a week I apply a good foot cream and slightly pamper my feet, because if I don't do it, there have been times where my cracked feet have also bleeded. So my case is so acute. So I am left with no choice but to take care of my feet at least twice a week. So recently I got my hands on Muha's foot cream. It has papaya, aloe and peppermint. All three ingredients work the best for me. This cream is extremely thick and creamy, which I love the most. So initially I applied it every day to see fast results. And when I was very satisfied with the results, I came down to like using it twice a week, which also works for me as of now. But एक बार peak winters आ जाए, which is like December or January, I think I'll go back to pampering them every alternate days. I have a very good tip for you guys, those who have dry feet or cracked feet. Just soak your feet in warm, lukewarm water for some time and just scrub away the dry or dead skin. And then apply a good foot cream. ये वाला यूज कर सकते हैं, या जो भी आप foot cream यूज करते हैं आप उसको apply कीजिए and wear a socks and just leave it overnight, and next day morning you will see a huge difference. And if you do this regularly for like a week or so, then I can assure you your cracked heel or your cracked feet का problem चला जाएगा, because I know, I feel you guys, I have tried everything and this tip really works for me. So now the last product for today, and this is the very humble lip balm. This is a pretty decent lip balm. I mean, it actually solves the purpose. This is a very mild, sweet candy wala smell है, which I clearly don't mind. मुझे अच्छा लगता है. But if you have any issues with fragrance in your skincare, then I'm not sure if you'll like it or not, but I completely like it. It doesn't have any sweet taste. There are lip balms जो अगर आप हल्का सा लिप करें अपने lips को, you will feel that sweetness, you will taste it. But this doesn't have any taste and smell is very nice. I like it. It is very hydrating. This one also has apricot, olive, almond and honey. So really like this lip balm. One more thing which I really like about this lip balm is the packaging. The tube lip balms are way more hygienic than the tub ones, because you are not digging your finger every time you have to apply your lip balm, because you are not sure. We don't sanitize our hand every time. मतलब ये COVID के time का बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, but usually also pre-COVID or post-COVID, do you think all of us are going to like crazy sanitize our hands all the time? We are not going to do it. Let's be practical and honest. So बार taking the lip balm from a tub somehow I feel is not hygienic. So this kind of tube form are very nice, where you just take out the lip balm and the product inside is like safe. So packaging also takes my attention and I really like it. So guys, this was my very honest review about all the products that I bought from Moha. Moha, as I told you, is a very recent brand and the parent company is Charak Pharmaceuticals. So I actually bought this product. This is not a sponsored video. I actually bought this product with a very high hope, because when I learned that the mother company is a pharmaceutical company, I thought that they really must be very particular about the quality of the products, which they are. I really liked all the products, all the 6 products that I bought, and I thought इस पे तो एक video बनता ही है. I have to tell you guys how beautiful the products are, and I really want you to be prepared for this harsh winter which is coming. All the 6 products are wonderful for dry skin type and very dry skin type. Combination skin type can surely try them, but oily skin type, not sure. I will advise to stay away from these products because they are very creamy and very hydrating. So guys, do try them out and leave in the comment section below how did you find them. I'll see you guys next time with a new video super soon. Till then, take care, be safe, bye bye.